In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $1,000 on Cpagrip, and I'm going to show you how you can do this even as a complete beginner. So if you come over to cpagrip.com and if you create an account, you'll be able to come over to this section that says dashboard, and this is where you are going to see people who are making serious money on Cpagrip. You can see this person has earned over $100,000 on this platform. This person here over $26,000 on Cpagrip alone. So I'm going to show you how you can do this as well in today's video. And if you scroll down here, you can see these are some leads I got today from these countries. You can see from Saudi Arabia, from Germany, and you can see I made over $100 from Saudi Arabia today and over $90 on Germany alone. So I'm going to show you how you can target any country and make money on this platform even as a complete beginner. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to where it says offer tools, and you want to click on my offers. And if you come over here, you'll be able to see where it says country, and this is where you can select any country of your choice. But for this video, we are going to be taking United Kingdom as an example. So before you choose an offer, you want to then go over to Google and you want to type in UK freebies site, because we want to promote these offers to people who are looking for freebies. And the reason we are doing this is because there are a lot of freebies offer or giveaway offers on this platform. All right, as you can see, we have this Starbucks offer which is going to give people £100, and you can see if I scroll down again, you can see we have another Amazon offer which is going to give people £100, and you are going to get paid $2.58 as long as people submit their email to enter this giveaway. So if you go over to Google and you type in UK freebie site, you are going to see a lot of websites you can use to promote this offer. But like I said, this works for any country of your choice. If I come over and type in Germany as an example, you can see we have websites where you can promote free offers as well. Okay, so going back to United Kingdom as our example, so if I click on this first website, so as you can see, this website made this post 9th of August, and if I click on this post right here, you can see this is a very short post with an image of this offer which is going to give people 15% off, and if people click to get this deal, this website is going to make money. As you can see, over 48 people have already shared this post on social media like Facebook and Twitter already, and this post was made less than 24 hours ago. So before you work with any platform, you need to make sure that the platform is actually popular in that country, and that is where SimilarWeb comes in. All you need to do is to go over to similarweb.com, and you want to come over to the search section, and this is where you want to paste in the link to that website. And if you paste it here, you are going to get useful information regarding that website, and you are going to know if that website is worth promoting or not. Okay, as you can see, this website gets 1.8 million visits every month, and if you scroll down here, you can see the traffic is spread between desktop and mobile devices. And that is not all. If you scroll down here, you can see this website is actually popular in United Kingdom with over 92% of the traffic coming from United Kingdom alone, while the rest are spread across other countries. You want to make sure whatever website you are working with has at least 90% traffic from your target country. So now that we already know this website gets traffic from United Kingdom, we want to then come over to Cpagrip. So once you come over to Cpagrip, like I said, there are a lot of giveaway offers right here. All you simply need to do is to pick any offer of your choice, but you want to make sure you keep in mind the traffic source going to that website. As you can see, for this website, we get traffic from desktop and mobile. So you want to make sure to pick an offer that works for both desktop and mobile. All right, as you can see, this offer is available on desktop and is also available on Android and iOS. Okay, so now you can see this offer is going to pay you $2.40 for anyone who clicks and enter their email on this offer. All you simply need to do is to copy the offer link. So once you copy the offer link, you can go over to any URL shortener website of your choice like bit.ly.com or tinyurl.com to shorten your affiliate link. So once you shorten the link like this, then the next step is to simply go back to that website, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the website where you are going to see this section that says contact us. So if you come over here, this is where you want to then reach out to this website and you want to send them an offer to promote this CPA offer on their website. And before you do that, you want to make sure to create a post already by simply going over to ChatGPT. If you come over to ChatGPT, you can use this to your advantage to create an article for you in a few seconds. And this is where you want to type in something simple like write an article about £100 Starbucks gift card, less than 1000 characters, because you want to keep it as short as possible. In a couple of seconds, ChatGPT is going to do all that hard work for you, and all you then need to do is to copy the answer, as this is what we are going to be using to promote our CPA offer on that website. You want to simply go over to Google to grab an image that you want to use to promote that offer. All you simply need to do is to type in Starbucks gift card £100, and you are going to see a lot of images that you can use to promote that offer. Okay, so now you can see this one is an example right here. There are so many other ones you can use. Anyone is going to work fine. So now the next thing you want to then do is to make sure when you come over to the contact us page, you want to then type in your name, you want to type in your email address, and for the topic, this is where you want to then come over to where it says partnership inquiry. So once you do that, you want to then type in a subject and your message, and this is where you want to then ask this website their promo rate and how much they are going to charge for making a post on their website. And the price they are going to charge is going to depend on the amount of traffic they get. As you can see, this website gets over 1.8 million visits every single month, so they might charge a bit higher compared to a website that gets less than 500,000 visits every month. So this is going to depend on the traffic they get and your budget. So now let's say, for instance, we get our post on this website, and as you can see, let's say these 48 people who shared this post decide to complete our offer. And remember, the offer pays $2.40, and if we multiply this by 48, this is going to give us over $100, and this is how you can make money easily without doing any hard work on your end. And if you want to have access to more websites like this, I highly recommend to click on the first link on the description, which is going to bring you to the CPA Mastery course page. And here you are going to have access to advanced strategies and more websites like this, which you can use to make money promoting CPA offers easily without doing any hard work on your end. And if you enjoyed this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen. This is the next video that is going to show you another strategy you can use to make money with CPA marketing.